Hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video I'm going to show you a review of Namecheap, and this is a domain register. And if you don't have a domain yet, or you're thinking about building your website, or you want to build a website, you're going to have your address online, and this is your domain. We're not going to talk about the technical stuff of what is a domain and what it all is, because I'm not a techie person, my friend, and maybe you are, maybe you aren't, but this is just a quick review of what you can do inside Namecheap, and really why you should use Namecheap versus different ones, and what domains to get, and then what else you can do inside here as well. So basically this is your address online. So let's say, for example, you wanted to call your website the greatest, GREATEST, greatest cool products.com. Now, I don't know if this here domain's taken, but we'll soon find out here. If you want to use Namecheap as your domain register, I'm going to leave a link to it below. It's you can go to CameronLimitless.com/domains. It's going to take you to Namecheap, and it's my affiliate link. If you decide to buy a domain at like $7 for a year, I make a little commission on that there. And what you can do is you can search out a domain that you're looking for. Now, why, in the last video I showed you a review of Bluehost, why would you want to have your domain separate when you can get a free domain with Bluehost? Well, when you decide to get a free domain with a hosting provider like Bluehost or Shopify or something like that there, they'll give you a free domain. That's okay. But what is the problem here is that you don't have as much control. And in some cases, like it happened for me in Shopify, was that when I decided I wanted to point that domain somewhere else, I had to wait 6 months before I could actually transfer that domain into my own control. That's why when you're getting started at the start, you want to have the right setup so that you don't have to wait 6 months or anything like that. You have full control of your domain and where it goes. So you can see here, greatestcoolproducts.com is only $6.77 a year, and you can get all different types of ones. You can get greatestcoolproducts.com, greatestcoolproducts.cool, which is only $5.24. You can get greatestcoolproducts.london, greatestcoolproducts.net, all these different types of ones. You got greatestcoolproducts.club. Now, greatestcoolproducts.club is only $1.27 for a year, so it's really inexpensive to buy yourself a domain. And what you can do inside here is you can point that domain to wherever you want, my friend. Now, let's say you wanted to call it yourname.com. You can buy that there for £6.77 for the year, and then you can point it inside it. Now, I show people a limitless lifestyle business, and this is basically what tool we use. It's super compatible with everything I talk about, and it's really a great one because domains are a big part of building an internet business. Now, what I want to point out here is if you're going to buy a domain, you want to keep it sort of short and memorable, and you kind of want to go for like the .com or .co.uk, memorable ones that people know, the default know to go to. So say if you wanted to call it yourname.com to build your own personal brand, you want to have it .com or .co.uk. Really, if you want to go .net, .dev or .org, you can maybe do .org or .health. You will want to stay away from ones maybe like .health or .shop. You can maybe go with .shop. Now, ideally, like I said, you want to go for .com. Now, this is just one of your domains, and this will be like for your main hub or stuff like that there. And then you would want to get another domain that you could track. So you could say track. You could say trackcoolproducts.com. So you get another domain for your tracking link, and you would use this here for your tracking and things like this here. Now you can see you can buy that domain for $6.77. So you really only need 2 domains and things like that here to get started with your internet business. But I would encourage you to get 2 domains at least, one for your website and then one for tracking. Okay. And like you can see here, really inexpensive. And I'm going to log into the software here so that you can see all other things that you get with Namecheap and why it's so cool. Okay, so you can see that I've logged into my back office at Namecheap, and you can see here the 2 domains that I got was CameronLimitless.com and limitlessfuture.club. And what we can do here is when we get our domain, let's say for example this one is pointing somewhere else, so I'll go to manage this just for a second, and I want to show you kind of how you can point this domain. So when you go to your domain, you want to go to manage, like I done there, and what you can do is you can go to name servers, or you can go to redirect domain, and you can go to learn how here, and it's going to show you how you can redirect. But basically, if I click on this, as what I'm sure, I think it's here, it's redirect domain, and you can go to learn how, and it's going to go, you can create redirects via your DNS provider, which is this here, custom DNS, or your Namecheap account, which is inside here. To perform this function from your account, you must change your name servers to Namecheap default. Okay, so you'll want to put a Namecheap basic DNS, but I've got mine set up here to go to a Cloudflare, and this is making this domain secure, because I'm not using this here domain inside of Bluehost like I showed you in the last review video. I'm using this for tracking, and we're going to want to do something different when we're using tracking link. Okay, but basically when you're inside, you go to the manage, and you can go to redirect domain. It's going to show you how you can redirect that domain to whatever website you want, and then you can put that there on your Facebook, or post it, or send people to that link, and then it's going to send them to wherever you want to send them to. Okay, my friends, super cool. What else you can get here is you can get a private email inbox. Okay, and it says our private cloud is secure, reliable solution for your email needs. All of your private email plans come with fast, lightweight webmail interface for managing your email and contacts calendar. Okay, and what you can do here is go to buy now. Now, I'm going to get a free email address with this domain, but what I want to say here is that we're actually in the tracking domain. Now, 1 second, I'll actually click on this. You're actually going to get a free email inbox. Okay, so that could be your name at yourdomain.com, contact your domain, support your name at yourdomain.com. Okay, and you can actually get a free one. Now, let's see, also plans also include, let's see, professional business email, secure. See, I've already claimed my free email inbox. Okay, so let's see, free 2-month trial, things, I guess, let's see. I actually want to go back, and I'm going to go back to domain list. I'm going to show you kind of the email setup, so that if you wanted to receive emails and things like that here, you can receive the emails, right? So I'm going to go to Limitless.com, because I've kind of already got this set up, and what you can do here is use this here. So I've actually got this, it's called, I don't know if you can see it. You can see it here, up here. It actually is a little email. It says OX email. Now this is the email provider I use, and I get emails to my phone, and I can reply to emails and things like that here, which is really cool. Now, like I says, we're going to go to Limitless.com, and this one we'll go to manage, and I want to show you basically the email kind of back part of it as well, which you can do and you get with your domain as well. Okay, I actually pay for one of the email addresses, and then I got a free one as well. So 1 second while this loads up, and then we'll show you. Now you can see here that because this here domain is actually pointing to Bluehost, it actually redirects to Bluehost. I actually went to custom DNS, and I put in these server names and then hit save, and that was all set up. Okay, so we can see here private email. So I've actually got two email inboxes in use. Okay, and let's see, if we scroll down here, you can actually, let's see, buy a mailbox. But what you'll get a free inbox for yourself, and this is an inbox where it'll be like admin at yourdomain.com or contact at yourdomain.com, and you can actually have this here, like I says, that OX mail on your phone, and it's going to come into that inbox, my friend, which is a private email inbox. And it's really cool. It's very important that you have your own private email set up, and you can do that inside of Namecheap. Other things that you can do in it, these are just some of the things that I use it for. I just use it for really buying domains and having my private email set up. And this is what you can do, my friend. If you want to buy your own domain and point it to where you want to point it to, you can go to CameronLimitless.com/domains. That's DOMAINS. It's my affiliate link. If you decide to get that there, I'll make a little commission. It's only like £7 a year, and you can actually go into your manage, and then you can point that domain to where you want. You actually got instructions and things in there. Also, if you're going to be following along with building a Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint, Limitless Lifestyle business, you're going to want to get 2 domains. So you get your one for your main hub, your main site on the internet, and then you'll get the other one for your tracking and things like that there. So this is the kind of review of Namecheap and what all kind of things you can do with it. Okay, so what I'm going to do for you, my friend, is, if you don't know, if you haven't noticed this before, we've actually been implementing and building the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course. The phase 1, the first version of the course, is done. What I'm doing at the minute is I'm upgrading it to the 2.0 version. And what the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course is it's a path to show you the concepts of building a 6-figure business online for yourself, around whatever your product, passion, idea or service is, whether you're a local business owner or things like that there. And really what I want to do for you is kind of show you a great education without you having to pay an arm and a leg, and save you money, my friend. So if you're interested in learning about how to create financial freedom online over the long term, you're going to want to get in to the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course ASAP, because the launch is coming up soon of 2.0. After the launch, I'm going to be adding in additional things on top of that offer that's going to bring up the price, and anybody who gets in early at that super affordable price that it is at the minute, it's kind of scary. You're going to get all the updates of that there level, my friend. So if you're interested in learning more about this here, if you're sitting at home doing stuff, or you want to learn something new, I would highly encourage you to check out the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course, my friend, and get inside the community where we geek out about all this stuff, and you're going to get that clear path with no confusion of this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, showing you everything about a Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint business. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope that you learned something new about Namecheap and what you can use it for, and what I personally use it for, and be able to get your own domain and point it to where you want to point it, and all this here cool stuff, my friend. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye bye.